I am Nevin Platon.
And I'm Joven Yangson with a Research Advisor Engineer Edgardo Ricardo Bisaunia Jr.
We are an electronics engineering student from Caraga State University.
And we are proud to introduce to you our Pi Duino Vent.
March 2020, when COVID-19 pandemic started, more and more patients are hospitalized after being positive and have severe symptoms of COVID-19 disease. As a result, a huge shortage of emergency care ventilator had become one of the major problems of different hospitals in the country. It was too much to handle, especially to the hospitals in the rural areas. It is difficult for hospital to buy many units of this kind of medical devices due to its extremely expensive cost per unit, not less than 100,000 pesos. And also, due to its complexity, a training must be conducted to a clinician who are managing ventilated patients. This problem gave us an idea to create our very own designed ventilator that is made up of readily available technology and local manufacturing materials. And our prototype was fabricated and assembled with the help of FabLab Caraga. Pi Duino Vent is a low-cost ventilator that automatically compressed a bag valve mask or AMBU bag by using Raspberry Pi and Arduino microcontroller. We choose AMBU bag as the main component of our ventilator in providing artificial breath, since this is the most available and commonly used medical device in every hospitals. The brain of Pi Duino Vent are the two coordinated controller such as the Raspberry Pi and Arduino Mega. Raspberry Pi serve as the master controller that is responsible in running the graphical user interface that displayed in the monitor, and it sends command to Arduino Mega, which serves as the slave controller. The system allows the master controller operate separately to the slave controller so that the stepper motor had a cleaner rotation that helps to avoid any delay for every step of the motor. Pi Duino Vent could operate two modes of ventilation, such as the volume control assist control ventilation or VCACV and volume control continuous mandatory ventilation or VCCMV. Each mode has three parameters that could be adjusted, such as the tidal volume, breath per minute, and IE ratio. However, in VCACV mode has an additional one parameter, which is the flow trigger. We also attach a PEEP valve and a flow meter to the breathing circuit. The flow meter that we used is the Sensorion SFM3300 AW, which is an autoclavable and washable flow meter. The Pi Duino Vent could provide a volume of oxygen at a flow rate which is not greater than 3 liters per minute from the expected value, with less than 12% of error that depends with the set of parameters. It was also pre-evaluated based on the actual ISO standard for ventilator. Our prototype cost only 30,000 pesos and with an estimated final product that does not exceed 60,000 pesos. Innovating such lower cost and easy to operate ventilator like Pi Duino Vent is one of the solutions in the huge shortage of ventilator in the country. This kind of medical emergency device could have a big impact in medical sector, especially in rural areas. Despite of having limited equipments and sources, we researchers are persistent to have more studies and testing for our machine and have its certificate of calibration standard based on ISO TC121 SC3. Also, our team are looking forward to work with you, and we are also open to have your suggestions and recommendations. Together, let's provide, breathe, and save more lives.